Okay, this is where the softy comes in, folks. This is the only kind of soft, well, we call them buttock fondlers in the band. This is a softy ballad sort of thing. And we all have two of these things. And then, what? Two Napoleons. This is a track off an album we had out called Never Turn It Back on a Roadie. This is something off, like my friend down here is saying, never turn it back on a friend. And we go, this is called Parents. A little boy, they would say to me, don't go in the world and play, that's bad company. All they had was child and faith. Let him go and let him wait. Let him find out what it was to be free. Now I'm over 21, living free. I've had my fun, and I know the way it's gotta be. Baby lying in a womb, while you feel in a tomb. Let me in a feel, I wanna cry. Well, I love this girl. Oh, that girl. Come on, wash your hands and up to bed. Mind your manners or you're dead. Mind the cars, cause you got school on Monday. Put my trust in God. Who is he? I know not what. Something mommy said to me one Sunday. It's only now, as someone near me now, tell me what to do and how. Love and peace will keep my mind. It's only now I realize when my parents had to cry. Oh, you, but I know it's there. Oh, that goes, it's there. Come on, man. start school on Monday. Black is black and white is white. Which you choose and which is right. Got me to a place where I might stay. Wrap me up and keep me warm. Hide and tell me from that storm. Love and peace will keep my mind at rest. It's only now I realize why my parents had to cry. I love you, I do. Oh, that God is there. Whoa, oh, that God is there. Come on back. I hear you calling my name. Let me go. Let me go. Thank you very much. It's really kind of you. Do appreciate it.